first go to Google Chrome and then you search for Bluej. डाउनलोड फॉर पीसी मेरे को लिखे हुआ आ गया है ऑलरेडी. So I'm clicking on enter and यहाँ go to the original site Bluej की है. Click on this. And मेरे पास Windows है तो click for Windows. If you have Mac, go for Mac. And if you want to go for other options, depending upon your कौन सा operating system आप use कर रहे हो. So I have Windows. And यहाँ पर डाउनलोड में ये डाउनलोड हो रहा है. So give it some time and then it will get downloaded. Now click on finish and now it has downloaded. So congratulations, it is downloaded. You can see Bluej here now. So that's all. Now our next step will be to write programs. We'll start with basic programs, okay?